Yes, listen to me, somebody outside there. If you are a worship minister, if you are a worshiper, you need to know this. Not every time it is the instrumentalists that are the problem. Sometimes it is you are the problem. In fact, you are a very big problem. Because you find sometimes you don't know the lyrics, you don't know what to sing, you don't know the key that you are comfortable in, you don't know the flow of the song, you don't know how the breaks are, you don't know everything about the song, and yet you complain that the instrumentalists are the problem. Listen, if you are not comfortable with the key, communicate. In fact, every worshiper should always know their key. You should know that I can sing comfortably in A, I can sing comfortably in C. Know your key. Don't just go singing off key. If you have the Spirit, I believe you cannot sing off key. The Spirit is a spirit of excellence, perfect one. It perfects things. Learn these three things. Train your voice, pray and minister like a real minister. This thing you keep on singing off key in the stage, you embarrass yourself. It's no good at all. It's not good at all. This generation must know that this thing is not good. You need to pray. You need to train yourself as much as you have the Spirit. Don't say that I will just sing. The Spirit will let me. You don't want to train your voice. You don't know even how to hum the key. How are you going to sing? That's the reason why you keep on singing off key every now and again. That thing is bad. You are shaming yourself. You are shaming the body of Christ. How can you be anointed and you are singing off key like no one's business? So train your voice. If you are a worshiper, train your voice. Go to rehearsals. Go to trainings and pray. Don't just pray alone and just say the Spirit will help. The Spirit will perfect your trainings. You'll see your efforts and He perfects it. Learn that, every worshiper in the house. Make sure you train your voice. Know the lyrics of the song. Be very sure of what you are singing. Don't just come, you sing a song, you don't know the lyrics, you don't know the meaning of the song, you don't know anything about the song. Yet you complain that it is the problem of the instrumentalists. You are the problem. Go back home, train your voice, and pray. God bless you.